In case you run into some difficulties using your BeHear now, this video will explain how to deal with possible problems. Some of the explanations already exist in the other informational videos. There will be links to them throughout this video in such cases. If you can't hear any sound from the headset, check the battery level, either in the app or by shortly pressing the power button when the headset is on. Try to adjust the volume level. Check ear caps for debris. If the earbuds are uncomfortable, experiment with different silicone earbuds and ear hooks supplied in the pocket of the BeHear Now travel pouch. If you experience wind noise or noise generated by your clothes rubbing against the earbuds, try applying the supplied wind protection covers. If ambient noise is too loud during music play, reduce the volume of ambient sound using the bottom button on the right control box, or using the phone. If phone calls and/or music are not being routed to the headset, verify that Bluetooth pairing was successful. Perhaps the device has not yet been paired, or it has been erased from the pairing list. Turn the headset on and place it into pairing mode. Check if the headset appears in the Connections menu. If your Bluetooth connection keeps cutting out, verify that you're not more than 10 meters or 30 feet away from your Bluetooth device. I'll go get my phone. If you are using BeHear Now outdoors, we recommend that you carry your phone on the right side of your body. When indoors, the Bluetooth radio waves can bounce off walls, and it doesn't matter on which side the phone is carried. Outdoors, the phone needs a direct line of sight with the antenna, which is located on the right side of the BeHear Now neckband. If you're annoyed by the fact that personal hearing is interrupted by smartphone notifications, you can change that setting on your phone. When BeHear Now is connected to a phone, the phone notifications take precedence over the headset's hearing amplification. This is so that you don't miss any important phone calls. As a result, we recommend changing the phone settings to turn off keytones, such as touch sounds, keyboard taps, and other notifications. This setting is usually found in the smartphone's Settings menu in a section called Sounds and Notifications. If your BeHear Now headset is behaving unexpectedly, and you have already tried troubleshooting according to our guide, you can restart the headset to try and make things right. There are 3 types of resets. Simple reset, reset BeHear and remove Bluetooth connection data only, reset BeHear and restore original factory configuration. For the simple reset, you need to connect the headset to the charger. All configuration data will be preserved. To reset BeHear and remove only the Bluetooth connection data, power on the BeHear Now headset. Press and hold the power button and the middle and bottom buttons on the right control box simultaneously for approximately 8 seconds until a purple LED blinks. Power the headset off and then back on again. Reset the BeHear Now headset and restore the original factory configuration. Power on the BeHear Now headset. Press and hold the power button and the middle and top buttons on the right control box simultaneously for approximately 8 seconds until a yellow LED blinks. Connect the headset to the charger. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.